So as I was saying, there is a way to code check all the apply questions. So replacing the labels with numbers, and we should remember what we replaced. All right. So I just want to show you how to code all the Likert scales from strongly disagree to strongly agree. So we go back to the questionnaire. So I have strongly disagree. So this is going to be coded as 1. So simply I will just click somewhere here and click Control H or Command H, or simply I will just go to find and replace here. So find and replace this one and click replace. So simply here I will need to type, for instance, strongly, like paste strongly disagree, and it should be written exactly the same here, and it should be consistent throughout all of them. And I should be careful whether I have been using all 7-point Likert scales or I have been using different scales, because the coding will apply to everything. So here I'm sure that I have been using all the 7-point Likert scales in all the scales to measure all the constructs. So that's why I am going to apply it directly. So strongly disagree is going to be coded as 1, and then click match case again and replace all. And here I have replaced all strongly disagree. Then we have disagree, which is going to be coded as 2. So I will just go here, put 2 match even entire selections to make sure that I don't suddenly replace others. So I replace all. Then I have, so I need to replace, disagree too, and then somewhat disagree here. So where is it? Somewhat disagree. It's going to be coded as 3. So simply I will put somewhat disagree here and I will replace it as 3 and replace all. And then I will need to go to neutral and click there and click neutral and 4, number 4, and then replace all. Then I have somewhat agree, which is 5. So simply I will go there, somewhat agree, 5, then replace all, and then agree, then this is number 6, and replace all. So it seems that has the highest ratings. From now I can see the results. So basically strongly agree is going to be coded as 7 and replace all, and again has like 779 replacements again. So most people are agreeing, strongly agreeing with the statements, which is good. So anyways, this is how we do the coding. So we just found and replace all the Likert scale items with the numbers. So for this one, which is a categorical variable, I need to find a way to code that, and it's better to be a logical way. So basically, if I go to the education level, simply I will code, for example, first year as 1. So Control H again, and first year it's going to be coded as 1 and replace all. I should always try to find some logic, Second year is going to be coded as 2 and replace all. Third year is going to be coded as 3 and replace all. Then masters is going to be coded as 4. We have here BA, we have masters. Okay, so in this case, since I have a BA, I will just include BA as 4 and replace all. And see here, I will need to put the BA like as 4. So I will need to do some manual data cleaning, bachelor. So I will just put 4. So you see, because the respondents keep writing that training. So that's BA or number 4. 4. So that's it. Number 4. So then we have masters. So what is that? It's others. So for masters, I will simply code. I need to remember that 4 is for the BA. That's very important. So for masters, it's going to be coded as 5. Replace all. And PhD is going to be coded as number 6. And replace all. So this is 4. So this is for others. So this is like for 1. This is 4. This is 4. This is 4. So you see, like, you need to do some data cleaning, especially of some variables. That's why it's not recommended to include others, etc. So the way you design the questionnaire will be very prominent when you have the data analysis. So training center, so it's with the BA4, TPGA. So that's 4. Because people work there with the ABA. Auto formation, I need to find a way to code it, otherwise I will have another code for it. So I need to go back to the, usually I have a code book like this, and I need to put the codes like so second year, third year, graduated, that's 4. Okay, and masters 5, 6. Then we have others. I could put, for instance, either 0, I will put it like others here, and I will code it as 0. So basically I will need to go here and see how I can solve the problem, like for auto formation. So I will code it as 0, which is others. So that's it. So then we have this question of the multiple choice question. And there is an open-ended question. So we're going to see how to deal with the multiple choice question in an easy way. So simply I need to go back to the Google Forms survey. So I'm using it like a reference for the code book. And I have how many multiple choice questions? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and others. So here I need to create new 5 variables, and I will independently code them as 0 for not chosen and 1 for chosen. So I need to copy the exact name here, and I will create a new column here, and I will paste the name. So this is for ChatGPT. Then I will do the same for Gemini. Then I will do the same for the other one, which is Cloud. Then I have another one, which is Grammarly. Okay, I hope that I did not ruin it. So I need to go back. So yeah, I have the go back option, but you should be careful here, huh? Because if you change something, you cannot go back in sometimes. So for Grammarly, I would just type it there or paste it there. Then I have Quellbot. Even though you notice any spelling issue, you need to take the same one because we will be using a function that will match them here.